friends, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Vidisha, and in today's video we are going to talk about the new lightening powder from Hourglass. And in this video we are going to do an in-depth review of this powder, application, wear test, check-ins, and at last my final thoughts. But before that, if you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. We talk everything about beauty and makeup, so please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell icon next to it so that you are not missing any of my future video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thanks aunt for showing me so much of love and support. You guys means a lot to me. And if you want to know what I do in between YouTube, then please follow me on my Instagram page Vidisha's Makeup. And without further ado, let's get started. Talking about this powder, this just got dropped in their website. There was no advertisement or Instagram stories or pictures, but all of a sudden it was dropped and I too bought it from their website. Now this retails for 50 USD and this is made in Italy, and the net weight for this powder is 0.34 ounce, which is like 9.5 gram. Talking about the packaging of this powder, this is how it looks like. It's a very standard Hourglass packaging, and as you open this is how it looks inside. You have a mirror over there and then the powder, and in the back you have all the details of the product. Now I was looking into this powder. What I felt is the picture what has been shown in the website is much more darker or have depth in color than this. This is a pretty light in shade, and let me show you guys what I mean by that. This is how it looks like. Now let me go ahead and swatch this powder and show you guys how it looks like. But I just want to mention that Hourglass powder never swatch good. They always look beautiful when applied on face. And let me swatch it here and show you guys. So this is how the swatch of this powder looks like. So let's go ahead and apply this powder on my face and see how this get applied. Now before applying this powder on my face, I just want you guys know whatever the products I already have on my face. So right now I am having the Tom Ford foundation, the new foundation from Tom Ford, which is stressless soft matte foundation. I am testing this baby, so this foundation is there on my face right now. I have also the Kosa concealer on high point of my face as my highlighting concealer. I have baked my face with the Huda Beauty baking powder. I have Hourglass product as my bronzer, which is Radiant Bronze Light. This is one of my favorite bronzer the day I want a bronzer with kind of shine. I'm also having Hourglass blush, that is Mood Exposure, on my face. I don't have any highlighter on my face right now, so that I do justice to this powder, and I'm going to use Van Gogh's face brush to apply this. And I'm going to stroll on the powder, the brush, and I'm using this. And I just want you guys to know this is a natural goat hair brush. So definitely I am seeing kind of shine on my face, at least on the forehead. If I come closer, you can see there is the shine as the light is hitting, and also on my high points of my face as the light is hitting, I can see the shine. But at the same time, as I am applying little bit more, I feel like there is a kind of white cast. Yes, there is a kind of white cast which I'm feeling as if I am trying to apply more, but that is because this powder is extremely light. And I'm going to do a wet test, and there will be a couple of checkings to see how this powder is holding true to my skin. I'm back with the checking, and it has been around 6 hours that I have applied this powder, and what I feel is there is a overall shine in my face. Now I just want to mention that I was outside my house and I was in a temperature around 100 Fahrenheit, and it's very hot here, so the T-zone of my face is becoming oily, so that's there. But other than that, if I look into my entire face, it's shiny. I can see the shine in the forehead, these areas of my face, And I'm not talking about this, high point of my face, because I have applied highlighter, but this time I have applied very minimum highlighter just to make sure that I am testing this powder more than the highlighter. So that's all I am feeling after 6 hours downtime of applying this powder. So I will going to catch you guys after a couple of hours to let you know my final thoughts and how this powder has hold true throughout the entire day. Now let's move on to my final thoughts on this powder. I am wearing this powder for last 10 hours and I think I have solid points to talk about it right now. But the most important point about this powder is the shade. This has only have one shade, and that is too extremely light. And I'm going to bring this powder once more close to you guys to show you how light this powder is. Now this is a shade which is good for very light skin tone. This is not a powder even for a light to medium. Forget about anything beyond that. Now while I was applying this powder today morning, I let you guys know that it is giving me a white cast, and that was true throughout the day. It gave me a gray tone, it was a white cast, and that is the last thing I want from any of the product on my face. So definitely I have not enjoyed using this powder, and definitely this will be a pass for me. But if Hourglass is coming with more shades on this powder, I will definitely love to try it. But knowing the brand, I don't think they will be going to come up with more shades. But yes, if they comes, definitely I'm going to try. Now talking about the formula and the quality of the product. Now Hourglass makes a finest powder product in the industry. I enjoy Hourglass powder products. So no doubt this is a great quality product. Only if you are a very light skin, this will go for you. Also, if you are a person who does not love to wear highlighter and have a very light skin and just needs that glow on your face, I think you can try this. Other than that, if you are of my complexion or anything in medium, light medium, I would say this is not going to work for you. And that's all I have to say on this powder. And if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye.